Welcome to another edition of Great Health, Abundant Happiness, and Outrageous Love. Hey, Kiki, what do you have there?
I have the SomniPods 3 by Fitnexa, and I'm going to unbox this, but first of all, I'm sitting in our bed, which is one of the most serene places in our home, and that's how I feel about this box. It's so perfectly packaged. The color they chose is absolutely stunning, and they've got two different shades of ivory here. It feels very luxurious and serene. I am just loving it. Very simple lettering, and it's wrapped like a little present,
It's like a little gift. And while you're opening up, I already opened up mine. I'm just loving the headphones.
Right.
They're just so comfortable. There's lots of options and of the earbuds, the size, and I just used the ones right out of the box, and they've been fantastic.
I'm excited. So there's a tiny little pull tab on the back, and you just pull it and open up your little present. I didn't really do it as beautifully as I could have. So I'm just going to take that top piece off, and here we go here. So again, everything was thoughtfully designed. I'm not sure if you can zoom in on that, but they've got that embossed on here as well. So again,
I can see it.
one more, you see it?
Yep.
One more little luxury touch. So I feel like this is a really beautiful luxury product, and then you open it up, check that out, right? If that doesn't look like a beautiful gift, and I'm just going to, so again, there's a little pull tab here, and Jeffrey, you probably know better. I guess I take the whole thing off.
Yep.
Right? And then again, luxury, right? Everything is covered and wrapped and sealed, etc. And then this, I believe, is that the opener, Jeffrey?
I know that's the charging.
Oh, that's the charging. See? That's why I'm glad you did yours first.
You know what's great is it's the same charger. I guess the universal chargers now as we use for the iPhone. So I swap out my iPhone for this little case,
Right.
and the case actually charges it when it's away from the charging. So it's its own little charging situation inside the case.
And I just have to note, because there's one more little surround here, almost like a fancy candle has. So this is not, your Walmart headphone set. It's a really beautiful case, and this, I don't know what this case is made of, but it feels like maybe a bamboo wood, Jeffrey. And does it just lift off? I don't know, because I haven't done it before. So I bet it goes this way. There's a little dot here. Look at that.
Why don't you go ahead and, it looks great. So
It's so pretty. And look.
Yeah, see the green light's on, so it's already charged.
Right, so this is a little charging station of its own that, thankfully, how beautiful does it look in our room?
Yeah, go ahead and put those in your ears just to feel how comfortable they are. So I use these for my meditation in the middle of the night. If I can't get back to sleep, I got monkey mind. I usually just put one in because I'm a side sleeper when I go to my side. And I'll wake up in the morning, I won't even realize I have it in there sometimes.
Yeah, you know what? It's in my ear, and so what I'm going to do here. You have trouble sometimes with it fitting the right way if we go for a jog or whatnot. I do.
These are incredible, right?
They're beautiful. They feel so good. I have really bizarre shaped ears.
I don't know about that, but
I don't know. Anyway, these are soft, so you can see, Jeffrey, up close. There's a cover here which is really soft, and then of course the part that goes in your ear. And some of them are a little bit harder. This one is very, very soft and, buttery. And oh my gosh, I can't wait to try these out, which will be in our next video. I just wanted to do the unboxing. And again, it's a charging station, and it's beautiful. And I feel like they gave me such a beautiful gift.
Well, if you open up the inside, you've got inside the box, you have a charging cord.
Oh.
And then you have a whole bunch of options for the ear pods.
Gotcha.
You just show that too, because I think that's important.
Okay, well, you know what? Thank goodness, you did it before me. It looks like the manual is right here.
Yep. I haven't read that, so I didn't do that. It was just, I'll tell you what's nice is they
Oh, wow.
they synced with my iPhone really easily, and you know, I didn't really need to do much other than just accept it on my Bluetooth.
Yeah, and there's a little warranty card here, and then there are some, these are really nice, cards showing you how to use them in your ear as well as the charging station. So that's super handy. I like that a lot. And then again, because Jeffrey has done this, so he's able to tell me, because I have been known to throw away boxes before I check thoroughly. So here is the little charger.
Yep. So just like the iPhone charger, which is great.
Yes, so nice to have a universal charger.
Yep.
And again, you know, put that into any block you've got.
Yeah, exactly. Works great. And then there's another layer in there, which would be your headset pieces.
Oh.
The different sizes.
Oh,
Maybe it's down
nice.
below in the box.
Oh, nice. Okay, let's see. It might be on this other side. I am not seeing.
I think it's still in the box.
Oh, okay. I'm not seeing that. So are they different sizes of the piece that goes here?
Yeah, exactly.
Oh, I bet it's underneath this.
No, it's a big sheet.
Oh, so maybe because it's so soft, and this is great too. This is a cleaner. And let's see, we've got this and this, and no, not in here. Are you sure?
Yeah.
Maybe it's here. Oh, see, again. Now, I have managed to lodge it in there, so let me use this little tool they gave me to get it out. And honestly, I would not have thought that that's what that was.
Yeah, this is a very long unboxing video.
You know what? This is the gift that keeps on giving right here, okay? So, again, not that I've got long nails, I don't, but I do have girly girl nails, so, there we go. Okay, this was in there. Again, so glad that Jeffrey unboxed it first. He's definitely more thorough than I am, and again,
I don't know about that. That's the first time I've heard you say that.
only when it comes to technical things. So yes, I see how this is. It's, oh, here they are. So there are several of these in here. Wow, okay. I haven't figured out how to open this up. Everything is so beautifully boxed. I don't want to, oh my gosh. So not only are there pretty much every size for your ears, but these little side covers too, so
Yeah.
you don't lose them.
Right,
That's
yeah. So they're different sizes. So yeah, you can.
that.
I haven't changed mine around yet, but I'll do a video putting it in for meditation and the running and all that stuff. But we're loving this product.
Yeah, and you know, I have been listening to music while I've been sitting in the sauna when we were back at Copper Mountain, where we reside for most of the year. And I love that because obviously you can't bring your phone in the sauna. So I've been super excited to try these in our home sauna here where we summer. So I'll let you know how that works, because it's such a great alternative to having music, and you don't have to have music if you're both in there that only one of you wants to listen to, because we also do our workouts, our sit-ups, etc. in the sauna. So I am beyond excited to try this in there, especially with how light and comfortable it is.
Oh, it's great. And sometimes you don't always want to wake people up too, because some people like to sleep when you're listening to music.
Yes, wishing you great health, abundant happiness, and outrageous love, with a great big thank you to Fitnexa. And thank you for, I mean, honestly, I feel like I just got maybe a Valentine's Day gift. It was so beautifully wrapped.
Yeah, that's great.
Yeah.